graders, good morning. Let's talk about some more about transformations. Let me remind you from last year what the math terms are for shape movements in math, okay? So if I want to slide a shape, like if I want to slide this shape over, I call that a translation, if I want to just move it over. Okay, if I want to turn the shape, I'm calling it a rotation. Okay, if I want to flip the shape, flip, I'm calling that a reflection, like a mirror. Okay, like a mirror image. So we've got translation, which is a slide, rotation, which is a turn, and reflection, which is a flip. Okay, now let's remember our degrees of rotation. Okay, if I want to rotate this triangle 1/4 turn, 1/4 turn of a circle, that means that I'm going to move it, turn it 90 degrees. So let's rotate this 90 degrees. Boop. Okay, now I want to rotate it. I want to rotate it 180 degrees from where it is right now. 180 degrees is a half circle. So I would have to do 2 90-degree turns. 1, 2. So now I just turned it, or rotated it, 180 degrees. Now, what if I want to rotate it 3/4 of a turn? How many degrees is 3/4 of a turn of a whole circle? 90 times 3 is 270. So let's rotate this triangle 270 degrees, which would be 3 90-degree turns. 1, 2, 3. Now it has been rotated 270 degrees. A full circle is, yes, 90 times 4, which is 360. So I'm going to rotate this triangle a full 360-degree circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's right back where it started, right? Because it's a full circle. Okay, that's all review for you. And but you do need to know for the test your terms. You're going to need to know if you are doing a translation, a rotation, or a reflection. So memorize these math terms and how to spell them. Okay, that's the most important thing you're learning on this lesson. And the secret word for lesson 88 is Easter egg. Okay, let's take a look at the lesson practice for lesson 88. We have this R, and the directions are sketch an uppercase letter R after a reflection in its vertical segment. So they want us to draw this R in reflection form. Okay, let's pretend like it's been reflected and now draw that. All right, a mirror image or reflection means that we're going to be drawing, let me use a different color for this one. Okay, and we have to reflect it using this vertical part of the R, etc. So this would be the stick of our R in orange, and we'll have to draw it backwards like a mirror image. See that? So that's what yours should look like. It should look like an R this way that they drew on the page, and then one that you drew backwards, a reflection. Okay? Now, for B, this is letter B. Okay, let's read the directions. Sketch an uppercase letter R after a 180-degree counterclockwise rotation. Okay, well, clockwise is always to the right because that's the way the hands of a clock go. So they call that clockwise. So if it says counterclockwise, they want us to rotate it to the left, okay? So we are going to rotate this R 180 degrees. Okay, 90 degrees would have it laying down on its side, right? Like it died or it's dead. So that means that one more 90 degrees will have it straight upside down, right? Underneath this R. If we were to rotate it, the secret word is clock, like the thing that keeps time for us, a clock. Now, for your lesson practice, I want you to do C, D, E, and F on your own and see if you can get it right. Some of these are going to take two different transformations to get it to where it needs to be. Okay, so see what you can do and then we'll check it.